Hello guys, in this video I will show you the live withdraw proof from Watch Wallet by using Bexchange application. So let's start the video. First of all, I want to tell you something that if you want any tools from me, must contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp contact is in on my description and also on my screen. So contact me to get your app and login details. So let's start the video. Now you must need fresh login details with app latest version app. Okay, fresh login details can be created through software. So I'm going to create fresh login details. It can take some time. So successfully I create fresh login details. You can see on my screen. Now I'm going to login the BXChange application by using these login details. So you should focus on my screen. This is the most important part and watch this full video till end. I successfully log in this app by using login details. You can see that there is no transaction history here. That means this is fresh login details because there is no transaction history here. You can see on my screen. And now click on withdraw BNB fund option and click on local wallet. Now enter your details here. First of all, enter watch wallet address. This is my BNB watch wallet address. After that, enter amount. Just enter amount, that means USDT dollars. Okay, and you should put your real name here. Okay, now enter your momo phone number. Momo phone number is a unique number that is connected with your bank account number or your wallet address also. That means you can receive your fund in any exchange or also in your bank account, or also you can receive funds in any wallet like Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet. So that I'm going to receive funds in my Binance account. Binance is a digital cryptocurrency exchange, as you know. So I'm going to receive funds in my Binance account. Okay, and I'm going to enter my Momo phone number. Okay, and again Momo number. After that, when you all enter your details here, click on transfer funds. After click on transfer funds, you should wait 15 to 20 minutes and then your fund will receive in your account. So I successfully received fund in my Binance account as I already told you. And you can also see transaction history here, check date and amount. And now I'm going to show you also my Binance account where I received this fund, exact amount $9,000. Check, this is my Binance account deposit history, check date and amount. Exact amount I received in my Binance account from Watch Wallet by using Bexchange application. You can check on my screen exact amount I have received in my Binance account, so that this application is really working and legit.